Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I improve my eyesight naturally. I want to share with you the answer to the question, do eyeglasses ruin your eyesight? When we use eyeglasses correctly, for example, if you need to see something during classes on a board, you wear eyeglasses to see what you need, and removing the eyeglasses is okay. The main problem is that people often use eyeglasses when they no need them. For example, when classes are finished or work is finished, people still wear spectacles during break time or when just walking along the street. When is a good time to train your vision? In eyeglasses, the accommodation processes doesn't work. It is fixed on the same distance. Blood flow is slowed down with low movement. Eyeglasses paralyzes the work of the eye muscles. Oculomotor eye muscle must work for the eyes to focus at different distances, pump blood flow to the eyes, deliver nutrients to the eyes, and clean slacks. By the way, if you want to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles and get rid of myopia, astigmatism, or hyperopia, check out my step-by-step proven course, Eyesight Academy. The link will be in the description below. Eyes are nowadays overworked with all kinds of screens, and recovery and regeneration are possible with good blood flow in the eyes. Eye muscles need to work and accommodate your eyes. Eyeglasses, as Dr. Bates said, it's like a crutches. Why you should use them if you can walk without them? Just get a habit of removing eyeglasses as soon as you don't need them. It will help your eyes to recover natural eye functions. Plus, light stretching of eye muscles can help to improve your vision.